United Spirits Q3 FY26 results, revenue rises, profit jumps or zero alcohol expansion. United Spirits Limited delivered a robust Q3 FY26 performance, with revenue rising to 3,693 crore rupees, marking a 7-8% year-on-year growth. The company's premium brands led the way, driving higher sales and volume gains despite some softness in the popular segment. Net profit climbed 25% to 418 crore rupees, reflecting strong operational execution and selective cost management. EBITDA also increased, although margins contracted slightly due to higher marketing and promotional expenses aimed at supporting long-term brand positioning. The company's premium and above brands contributed significantly to revenue growth, while popular segment volumes were slightly impacted by regional regulatory changes and seasonal fluctuations. This shows a clear trend toward premiumization in the portfolio. United Spirits continued to invest in brand building and consumer engagement initiatives, which helped maintain market leadership. The company also declared an interim dividend, highlighting strong cash flow and commitment to shareholder returns. Looking at the broader business context, India's alcohol sector continues to grow, particularly in premium and imported categories, even as state-level policy changes and taxation can influence short-term demand. United Spirits' focus on premiumization positions it well to capture these trends. Key risks for investors include input cost pressures, regulatory and policy changes, and the impact of elevated marketing spends on near-term margins. On the positive side, continued premiumization, seasonal demand recovery, and strong brand equity act as growth levers for the company. In summary, United Spirits Q3 FY26 results highlight revenue growth led by premium brands, robust profit performance, and shareholder-friendly dividend payout, while near-term margin pressures are manageable and largely linked to strategic investments. Investors should focus on how the premiumization strategy and volume trends evolve in upcoming quarters to gauge sustained growth potential. In addition to strong operational performance, United Spirits has announced a strategic investment in V9 Beverages Private Limited, Sober, a zero-alcohol beverage company with a turnover of 1.49 crore rupees and net worth of 1.18 crore rupees for FY25. This acquisition, structured as a related party transaction at arm's length, will involve a cash consideration of 3.2 crore rupees to subscribe to compulsorily convertible preference shares, CCPS, in Sober. Sober develops, produces, and markets zero-proof alcoholic beverages, catering to consumers seeking alternative drinks for social and personal occasions. The additional investment aims to fund operating cash losses and support future growth and expansion, with completion expected on or before the 20th of February 2026. The move strengthens United Spirits' portfolio in the emerging zero-alcohol category, aligning with evolving consumer preferences while diversifying its offerings beyond traditional alcoholic beverages. The stock market moves fast, and missing one update can cost you. To stay ahead with the latest company news, quarterly results, and order wins, hit that subscribe button now. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a market beat.